The exercise that they set us now is to apply formats. Specifically the boldface format to the column header, to the row that has all the headers. We apply bold to highlight this fact in row 1, and to the final total row 2. And the discount row specifically, we apply the italics format, OK. And then it also tells us to what is the column that has the row header. In this case it will be column A. To give it a bold format like the others, but also to give it font size 12. We are going to see how we can do all this. We begin with row 1. We can select either just the range or we can select all the row. In this way, we can continue to expand. If we wanted to expand the column more in the future, we would have a given format. Okay, for this reason we can perfectly select the whole row and apply the bold format. This is very simple because we have a quick access button. Here there is a tool that is apply boldface to what we have selected at that moment. We select, we click, and we now have it in bold, as in row 11. In row 11 we apply bold, and so we have both the header and the figure in bold format. They tell us to apply an air to discount to see it easily, to apply italics, and there we have it. Then it tells us that the column, the one that had the headers of the different rows, that is, the names of the items of furniture and all the additional information that we have in this table. It tells us to apply the bold format. We see here that there are already some that have it and others that do not. Specifically, here it is highlighting that Aeon is in bold, at what we see that it is not. And what we do is to homogenize as they ask for in the exercise. What we do is select the whole range or the whole column, and so what we do is with a first click, it will remove all boldface that is applied, and with the second click it will apply it, but to all of them. We keep the selection and we do the other part of the exercise that it told us, which was with the typeface, albeit Arial, to apply the size, not 10, but 12. We see it as it moves through all the sizes and we ultimately select what it has asked us for. And with this we would have this part of the exercise solved.